find the little waterfall. It's like really small.
She's trying to find a waterfall. I'm looking for frogs so I can take home.
No, you're not taking a frog home.
If I find one, I'm keeping.
No. Oof. It's an uphill over here. Oh man. Oh. Look at how nice that looks. Wow. Okay, let's stop right here to take some pictures. Yeah. Whoa, what a big jump. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Fall.
Hello.
Hola, hello.
We found water.
Oh, the sun's out now. It's hot.
It is hot, huh? It's like right.
Be careful going forward because that's where the waterfall is.
Oh yeah, we can hear it. We made it. So nice. Whoa. There's a bunch of families here. Should we go up there and then down the ladder?
Let's go up and down.
Okay. Whoa. You're right there?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh. Took a lot of good pictures here. Hopefully come out pretty cool during post. Now time to get wet. I think we found it. Wow. How cool is this? Aww. Look at my little boy having fun. Slide down. Do a flip. Oh, 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 oh. Whoa! Yeah! Whoa! Oh! All right. Oh.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
We're live. The parking lot's right there. I cut myself. Eric scraped his elbow. But that was so much fun. Look. Ooh, warning. Totally worth it. So fun. Did you have fun?
I had fun.
It was so fun.
Goofy.
Funny. We're probably like the only like adults going down the little fall. Besides the kids. We're kids.